ready. Get ready for 100 laps. Wheels to the wall. All out. Come on. Come on. Come on. Are they firing? A couple of them didn't fire. Uh-oh. Come on, Taylor. There we go. Now it's running. Get back from the gate. All right, here we go. 19 cars. Not a ton, but then again, there's usually less than 25. Sorry about the sun. The sun always seems to be in my way when I'm filming. Sorry. Sorry to my fans or people that may see this in the future. Anyway, here we go. I want to cut you when they start the race.